Welcome to Bacana Coastal Bridge. The Chinese New Year celebrates here. Look at this lots of party. Chinese New Year. Guys, speak si si Mayor Baste. Going to the event. Look at this ano ito, sir? Asa na? Ang event. Asa na ito sa event? Very abo na. Oh, dito ko.
Ang mga migrants ka na itong panahon, ang Bisaya, Danon, nagkakayo na po yung mga Ilocano, Ilonggo. So, galing Davao is a melting pot of different cultures. So again, ako ingnon, we have strength in our diversity. Mao kini nagapakusog sa tuwa, sa lahi-lahi na itong mga kultura o kagikan, diha ta mabuha o kusog. Basta ang importante, kay ang pagkahiusa o tinabangay. Maunang karon, ganahan kayo na kung gibalik-balik, magkaroon na man ang eleksyon, medyo opposition ta sa administrasyon karon, ginakalaban ta nila, pero asa man ta karon, naalang gihapon ta, napawenyo, kabarog lang gihapon ta, o wa ta nila matungwa.
Hi guys, welcome to Bacana Bridge.
China or Bacana Bridge serves as a vital part of the Davao City Coastal Road Network and the city government's goal towards modernization and infrastructure development. It stands as a monumental reminder, a symbol of the
Celebration of
China and Davao City.
China and Davao City.
This 2026, we welcome the year of Fire Horse. Like its dynamic and high energy, we too must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing our goals and aspirations for the year. May this new year fill us with hope and abundance as we continue to build stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So, lupawin nyo, kayod lang, sa ulan ng kamay politika, ang tanan ninyong gipili, itong niaging eleksyon, kaya ang hukbong sa tawang lungsod, kayod lang ta, tagaan muna mo o gobyerno, nga ampingan inyong kwarta o makita ninyo nga mauli sa inyo. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan, kung may patsoy.
Thank you very much, Mayor Sebastian Zico Targan. Please remain on stage as we move to a much-awaited highlight of our evening. The ceremonial